Let's learn how to unblock someone on Snapchat. As we all know, when you block someone, the profile of the person totally disappears from your chat list. So how do you see the person to unblock? Let's get straight into it. For this, we'll be using one person as a sample. Let me block this person. We'll go to manage friendship and then I block. Yes. Then so how do you unblock this person? First, you tap on your Bitmoji. And when you type your Bitmoji, you go to settings and then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you under account actions. This is where you can clear cache, clear your history and the rest. You see blocked users. So you tap on blocked users. You see all the list of everyone that you have blocked throughout the course of using your account. So this is the person we just blocked. You can just tap on X and are you sure you want to unblock this person? You select yes. You can go ahead to repeat that for any person you want to unblock and they'll be unblocked and they can chat you back and you people can start communicating again. So that is how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Do let me know if you find this helpful and don't forget to share and drop a comment.